Did you know that the iPhone 16 Pro Max has over 100 hidden features that most users never even touch? Yep, that's right. If you think you know everything about your iPhone, wait until you hear what's coming up next. Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the incredible iPhone 16 Pro Max, a device that's taken the smartphone world by storm. It's not just popular for its sleek design and powerful performance, but it's also packed with some seriously cool features that many people don't even know exist. So, buckle up as we unveil these hidden gems that can seriously enhance your daily experience. Presentation of problem/challenge. Now, let's be real for a second. Many of us have the perception that we've uncovered all the tricks and tips that our iPhones have to offer. But here's the kicker: the iPhone is like an iceberg, with only a small part visible above the surface. Most of its capabilities are hidden away, waiting for curious minds to discover them. The challenge lies in navigating through the sea of settings and options to find those secret features that can make a world of difference in how we use our devices. So, let's dig deeper and see what we can uncover together. Exploration/development. Alright, let's jump into some of these awesome secret features. First up, did you know you can customize your lock screen in ways you never imagined? You can add custom widgets, change the font style, and even set up a personalized focus mode so you can control notifications better. It's a total game changer for managing your day-to-day life. Next, let's talk about the hidden camera capabilities. There's a little-known feature called cinematic mode that allows you to create stunning videos with depth of field effects. It's super easy to use, just toggle it on in your camera settings, and you'll feel like a pro filmmaker in no time. Plus, there are advanced editing options that let you adjust focus after filming. How cool is that? But wait, there's more. Have you ever tried using the back tap feature? It's a hidden gem that lets you perform actions just by tapping the back of your phone. You can set it to take a screenshot, open your camera, or even launch your favorite app. It's a nifty little shortcut that can speed up your daily tasks. And here's a tip for the multitaskers: you can actually use picture-in-picture mode for videos while browsing other apps. It's a fantastic way to keep your favorite shows playing while you scroll through social media or respond to messages. Just swipe up and keep that little video window floating as you do your thing. Climax/key moment. Now, for the moment you've all been waiting for. The most astonishing feature of the iPhone 16 Pro Max that most users are completely unaware of is the live text function. This feature allows you to interact with text in your photos. You can copy, paste, look up, or even translate text from any image you take. Imagine snapping a pic of a menu or a sign in another language and being able to grab that text with just a tap. It's a total game changer for students, travelers, or anyone who needs to quickly jot down information. Seriously, once you start using this feature, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Conclusion/summary. So there you have it. We've uncovered some amazing hidden features of the iPhone 16 Pro Max, from customizing your lock screen to utilizing live text. These little tricks can really elevate your experience and make your iPhone feel brand new again. Don't forget to explore these options and see how they can fit into your daily routine. Call to action, CTA. Now, I want to hear from you. Which feature blew your mind the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you love these tips, don't forget to check out my other videos for more tech hacks and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.